If you've seen anything about Streamz AI and thought, there's no way this actually works, you're exactly the person who needs to watch this video. Because right now, people are quietly using AI to launch their own streaming platforms. Not next year, not someday, right now. And most people are completely missing it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Streamz AI, and fair warning, this is not one of those boring, safe reviews. This is a make-your-own decision video. I'll show you what it does, why people are excited, and why, if you wait, you might completely miss the window. So stay with me. Let's be honest for a second. Most people want to make money online, but the moment they hear words like coding, apps, servers, or tech setup, they're out. That's where Streamz AI steps in. Because instead of spending months building something, this claims to let you launch a fully branded streaming platform, music, podcasts, radio, in literally minutes. No coding, no hosting, no tech headaches. And yes, that alone is why this thing is blowing up. Here's the deal. Streamz AI uses automation and AI to create a ready-to-go streaming-style platform for you. You enter a keyword, choose a niche, and boom, your platform is live. You're not building Spotify. You're building something you actually own. And ownership changes everything. You control the branding, the audience, the monetization, the direction. That's why people are using this for niche audiences instead of trying to compete with giants. Now, are some of the marketing claims aggressive? Yeah, welcome to online business. But here's what matters. This tool removes barriers that normally stop people from even starting. Most people never launch anything. This forces momentum. Let me be crystal clear, though. If you think AI means do nothing and get rich, close this video. But if you understand the tools multiply action, not replace it, then Streamz AI becomes interesting. Very interesting. Think about this. You skip months of setup. You skip tech overwhelm. You get something live fast. You can test the niches quickly. You can pivot without rebuilding. Speed matters online, and Streamz AI is built for speed. Now, here's the part most people ignore and regret later. Tools like this don't stay cheap forever. They either increase the price, lock features, or disappear entirely. That's just how this space works. So if you're even thinking about testing it, don't overanalyze yourself into doing nothing. I've dropped the link below so you can check out Streamz AI for yourself. Not tomorrow, not someday. Go look at it now while it's still available at the current price. Worst case, you decide it's not for you. Best case, you're early to something most people won't touch until it's too late. All right, that's my take. No hype, no fear, just opportunity for people willing to move. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want more honest breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.